Welcome to Sonny, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. It's winter season, where our car washes are packed and our toes are numb. Your tunnel line's probably long and busy, and so is your vacuum area. And that means the right maintenance is needed to keep your vacuum system in peak condition. What could go wrong, you might ask? In the winter season, snow from floor mats can introduce humidity that accumulates in your vacuum system's filter bags and separators, leading to rust over time. We can avoid this in 4 easy steps. Let's go over the tools needed and dive right in. Number one thing we need is safety glasses. We need 2 grease guns and a cleaning cloth with high temperature and electric motor grease. The first thing, starting with daily, check your central vacuum system's filter bags to ensure they have the proper seating and positioning so that no dirt can leave the openings. Now, once the unit is shut down after normal operations, shake the bags to confirm no trash is building up in each one. If the trash is building up, you want to remove each bag from the system, clean them thoroughly, and reinstall. Next, check the seals around the central vac door system. You're inspecting for any cracks, leaks, tears, or dirt in the seals. Right below the door is the trash disposal. Daily, you want to change this out. If you have the individual separators in use at your car wash, you should be expecting to find only a fine dust in here. If you don't have individual separators, then you'll have bigger types of trash that accumulate, which will need to be cleaned out more frequently. Moving on to the vacuum cyclone trash separators, you should clean all your separators daily, especially during the winter season. To do this, first you want to unlatch the separator's debris bucket and then empty it. Next, clean the funnel debris screen with a brush or portable wet vac shop vac. Finally, after cleaning, reinsert the debris bucket to its original location. Now we come to our weekly maintenance. Begin the process by inspecting your vacuum piping for pin holdings, cracks, or loose fittings, and check your motor for damage or corrosion. Next, grease your bearings, consulting your owner's manual for the type of grease and how much to apply each week. Finally, we're performing our necessary monthly maintenance. We want to observe and check all hardware and fittings for tightness, alignment, and replace any parts such as couplers, bearings, bags, filters, or screen if any wear, defect, or deterioration is found. It is recommended that filter bags be replaced annually, but if repeated cleaning methods and shaking do not improve vacuum efficiency, then you should probably replace them immediately. And there you have it. By performing these essential daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance procedures on your central vac system, you can prepare your wash to soak up the success. That's all for now. As always, good luck and good washing.